In this video, I am going to compare Xiaomi's Redmi 6A with the Realme C1 device. So let's get started. So firstly, we'll talk about the processor. So in the Xiaomi, you are getting Mediatek Helio A22, where in the Realme C1, you are getting Snapdragon 450 processor. Let's talk about the clock speed. A22 has a 4 cores and they clocked at 2 GHz, where Realme C1 has the 8 cores clocked at 1.8 GHz. Let's talk about the semiconductor size. So in the A22 you are getting 12 nanometer semiconductor, 450 you are getting 14 nanometer processor. Let's talk about the RAM support. So Xiaomi device supports 1600 MHz RAM, while this smartphone support 1800 MHz RAM. In the Xiaomi you are getting 5.45 inch HD plus display which don't have the notch, while the Realme C1 has a 6.25 inch HD plus display with the notch. Camera, because it is the main factor which affect the smartphone. So in the Xiaomi 13 megapixel rear facing camera and 5 megapixel front shooting camera, where in the Realme you are getting 13 plus 2 megapixel rear facing camera and 5 megapixel front facing camera. Let's talk about the battery section. So in the Xiaomi you are getting 3000 mAh battery, which is the actual size of battery in the 6A, where in the C1 you are getting 4250 mAh battery, which is the massive compared to the Xiaomi device. In the Xiaomi you are getting MIUI with the Android 8.1, where in the Realme you are getting Color OS based on the Android 8.1 only. Let's talk about the main thing which affect the smartphone for you guys, which is the pricing. So Xiaomi device get a price tag of 5999, where C1 got a price tag of 6999. So let's talk about it. So if you are buying a smartphone for the gaming, battery and other things, so here the C1 is the clean winner compared to the Xiaomi 6A as per my thought. So that's it from me guys. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more videos from me, subscribe the channel. If you want any other suggestion, comment below. Thanks for watching. Peace.